Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to edit a drop-down list here in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Smartsheet, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Editing a drop-down list in Smartsheet allows you to update the available options in a drop-down column to better reflect the changes in your data or project needs. Now, once you are logged into your Smartsheet account, navigate to the sheet containing the drop-down list you want to edit. In my case, that's going to be this one, okay? Now, once you are on the sheet, find the column that contains the drop-down list. Right, for example, this one, okay? And then this column will have a drop-down arrow in the cells where you can select options. If you don't have, just click on filter, okay? Click on apply, select values, select all, click on apply. Now, here, just click on the edit column properties. You see there's going to be an option that says column type. You see there's going to be a not started, in progress, and complete. All right. You can, of course, change all of the statuses here. Now, after that, you see, once you have selected that, you see that there's going to be a drop-down list here. For example, in progress, you can change that to not started. This one, you can put it in progress. And of course, this one, you can put it complete. And you can do all these on the entire cell if you wanted. Now, the thing with editing column properties is that it ensures that users select the most accurate data. For example, in this specific task, they put in progress. All right. Providing clear and relevant options helps guide users in making appropriate selections, leading to better data quality and user satisfaction. This is particularly important if you are working with multiple freelancers, with clients, and if you are part of a big organization with team members working on a specific file within the worksheet. Because editing a drop-down list to include options related to new policies or procedures ensures that data reflects the current practices, all right? And of course, by doing so, it standardized options across different sheets or projects, supports accurate data reporting and analysis, which is going to be helpful for a lot of users working in this specific file. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.